welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Uthando Nesthembu. Umseleko noSamke, they decide to go to Macele to inform her about the news ukuthi uSamke is carrying baby Mseleku ukhulelwe. So they head over to Sipak. Macele, they get there, Macele balindile, and then Macele makes a comment ukuthi how Samke usabhizi njalo nengubo ezivulekile. Remember that time when I said ugcoke ingubo pink ngithi mina how what's going on, two yini, and you said no. And then umseleka yazini, it's nice that Macele already brought up the topic, so ayisasindile indaba, so it's easier for them to tell her now. But vele bakhiphe a pregnancy test and they give it to her. Athuke Macele ukuthi hawu ngempela waziwa wini umseleku, he has won. Amjabulele vele abajabulela athi hawu ngasho ngathi le ngubo le ni two yini, athi uSamke hey ngathi ubuwazi na kuphela sekunjalo. And then they talk about it. Macele is happy for them, saying that uSamke mhlawumbe uzofika vele nje at masinya aqede ngengane, like have one after another and finish. Athi uSamke nje angazi ke if uzobabysitela sizomletha ke so that we can go senze omunye. Athi Macele hawo babysitter bani mina, no, but then angimind yangeza ningamletha. Macele seems happy for them though, hey. And then and then sort of bese aqede amkhumbuze komseleko about that issue ukuthi Macele wathi kuyena are you sure you're still fertile? Avela hleka Macele athi hawu ngabuza vele because I said to you for me to see ukuthi you're still fertile I need to see uMangwabe or uMayeni ekhulelwe for me to know ukuthi you're still fertile, but because they're not, so then I'm starting to wonder why do you want to number 5 if you're not fertile anymore. Athi umseleko yabona uSamke has just proven ukuthi bantu bebhizi bethi mina I'm not capable, but kahle kuyakhomba ukuthi kunezinto bezingivimba ukuthi ngingakwazi ukukhulelisa, as in like there's things that were preventing me from making uMangwabe or uMayeni pregnant, because now uSamke just got here and now she's pregnant. And then but Asho could take her, so when because you can't go to the delivery room, so Macele will take over by the baby's clothes and all that. That's just Samke, she's nervous about the whole birthing experience, but how Saba and Bedelu and I will be fine. But Samke and Macele seem to get along. It's sort of like that motherly daughter relationship. Anyway, and then they talk. It's okay, so you're gonna stay at the big house, at the main house in Mzumbe. And then at 8 years in, I don't know ukuthi uzoreceive kanjani. I don't know if sobatshelile yini the other wives ukuthi wena uyeza, but then that's where you'll be staying. Angazi ukuthi nako kuzovela kuthiwe it's my fault because basabukubhekana nomuntu wabo nomyeni wabo. I don't know if also the pregnancy news kuzovela kuthiwa uMacele, because they don't want to face their husband. Bakhulume naye hawu wenzani uMacele sehleba the other wives noma khwela esandukufika nje. What's the protocol? Why is she doing that? Anyway, athi nje Samke yena nje if kuba no donsana, something like if there's like disagreements. I was a production. I think they asked her in her direct sessions, do you think Umseleko is gonna defend you? I'd say I'm not sure. She is very unpredictable. But then Mina, I must be able to defend myself if things arise, vocally, of course, and otherwise. She's saying that she must be able to defend herself vocally and also physically if it comes to that. Hey, girl. And then she also said something very interesting. She said that when Mseleko asked for medication when they were at the lodge or hotel, she said that, hey, as in he needs to get better quickly because she's not cut out for this thing. Medication, nani. She just didn't see herself Lana, like she did not see this coming. Like I did not subscribe for this. Hey, girl is just here for the vibes. This thing of taking care of like she doesn't know if it's for better or worse. Anyway, yeah, she was just rolling her eyes in a diary session saying, "Oh no, I'm not for this vibe. I'm sorry. Unsubscribe." Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.